finally feel like myself. The migraine went away. I took my Nurtec ODT yesterday. Ooh, that stuff made me feel like I was on fire. But it finally kicked my migraine. So I woke up. I don't have to get ready for like an hour and a half for work. So I'm gonna pick up the house a little bit, and then I'm gonna make me a coffee. And yeah, happy Tuesday. Protein shake. Ice, obviously. Salt is the best part. Stroop waffle.